Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm showing you how you can enable anonymous posting on your Facebook group. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, many times you might have seen in various Facebook groups some posts appear as group member and they do not reveal the name of the person who has actually posted it. So this is done just to save some privacy of uh, others, because it's really important to do the same. Now coming to this point is how this can be done, because first of all, in a Facebook group this setting needs to be enabled. So this is how gets enabled. Like, first go to the group settings, and as you can see in this screenshot, you have an option of anonymous posting that is currently off. So you can click on that option, and you can select on and off and then go back, and that's it. That's how simple it is, guys. And then it gives an option of anonymous post when somebody tries to post in the group. Rules like moderation by or approval by administrator is gonna stay the same. And when an administrator reviews these posts, as of now they do see who has actually posted, but when it gets posted in the group, it is like anonymous. So that is how it works, guys. So I mean, this is what I want to say, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.